Hey everyone, this evening we came to the Bangpoo Recreational Center to see the sunset and to feed the birds at the pier. It's a really nice experience and you can come down here every evening where a lot of people come. Here we are feeding the birds and they are really funny birds. Come on down and enjoy. For 20 baht you can buy some bird food and the birds really enjoy it.
Oh my god, perfect. Good afternoon everyone. Let's walk. Oh my god, welcome back to Wasana from Laos. So where we going today?
We're going to Bangpoo Recreational Center to see the sunset and the birds and have dinner.
Yeah, we gotta go explore. We didn't go there before. Let's go.
Let's go.
This station. All remaining passengers, please exit the train.
To get there, you take the BTS all the way down to the last station at Keha. Then you go down, and at the bottom of Keha, you'll find a line of different songtaos. Songtaos are trucks that have a place for people to sit in the back. So let's go down. You can come here at the exit. Follow everyone because many people come this way. Go right down the steps, you'll see a line of many songtao trucks waiting to pick people up. Load yourself into one and let's go. Here we are walking down the stairs. When you come, you can probably just follow the crowds down because everyone goes to the same direction. Here you can see the trucks lining up to take people even more south down into Samat Pukan. If you're going to Ancient City, this is also the same way you go to Ancient City. Ancient City is actually right before the Bangpoo Recreational Center, so you would come the same way. Here we are asking, hop into one of these trucks and wait for everyone else because they really like to load them up with a lot of people. The cost is 15 baht per person to take you all the way to Bangpoo Recreational Center. Here we are going down the street. Wow. Okay, here we are almost at the bird pier, which is really nice, and I think it's becoming more popular for locals. Okay, the songtao took us almost directly into the pier and dropped us right off. Right in front they have a nice little food market where they sell some food and some Thai snacks, so you can always come a little earlier than sunset. Today the sun set around 6:30 p.m. and we came around 4 p.m. Here we are being dropped off right at the market, right in the front of the pier. You couldn't ask for an easier transport. Let's pay our...
2 ค่ะผัดก็มีรถจอดอยู่นะคะอ๋อโอเคขอบคุณค่ะ Tell me 15 is we go inside. Okay, take your money. Okay, we arrived here, so we're gonna walk the market first a little bit. Okay.
Here we are walking onto the pier, and what was really interesting was that since the water recedes, the tide goes out in the evening, you come across a lot of mud area where the water has receded, and if you look in the mud, you see these really funny fish. They're called mud skippers, and they come out and they can walk on their fins. It's really interesting. I had never seen it before. So let's see if we can see some. Oh, there they are. Oh, look at that.
Like a fish.
They come out.
A fish that can come out of water. Oh, it's weird. Like skipper.
That's why they have a big one is there and the small one, but they have a lot in here. Oh, they move. Okay.
Food for a bird.
I see you.
Get two.
Yeah.
อันนี้กับอันนี้ราคาแตกต่างกันเหรอคะ อันไหน20คะ
20?
Which one 20?
Okay, we take 2.
Okay.
Thank you. What is it? Pork?
I don't know. What do you think? This one is a meat.
Yeah, some sort of fried meat.
Yeah,
A fried skin.
but can't eat it. This one that make. This one make the birds for fat. Get fat easy. Okay, let's
Okay,
go.
let's get the birds.
Okay, I'm here. The birds come here. I got the food for you. Can you do it?
Come on.
Just put in your hand and then let the bird.
I don't think they do that. They
Look
steal.
at that. They give that food.
Where? You see someone?
Maybe the bird is full. They don't want it. Oh my god. Alright, take one. Yay! Wanted.
They're scared to land on your hand.
But everyone gives with the hand.
They're not saying pigeon. Pigeon, they're stupid. This one is.
Woo! Come on, honey.
Okay, I'm recording.
But they like it.
Yeah, they don't need it from your hand.
Don't be on me.
Hey, come from here. Oh, good job.
It is scary. Okay, come get it. One more. Oh, that's nice. They can do one hand. Okay, one more. Oh, don't be scared. Oh my god, so good. Take it. some more. Take it. Oh, so nice. No, that is good. Come. It was so much fun visiting the birds. There is still 1 hour towards sunset. We're gonna go to the restaurant inside.
If you come a little earlier than sunset, they have a restaurant at the end of the pier where they have a good selection of Thai food, and I think many Thai local people come here. They also look like they can have events and parties, so there's also a coffee shop, but it was a little late at night for coffee. Check out the restaurant. Wow. Okay, here we are at the restaurant. They have an east and west side, but we go and sit on the side that has the sunset so we can start to see where the sun is setting. It's a nice indoor-outdoor environment, and they have a very extensive menu. This is just a Thai menu, but they have a menu in English also. Now, since we came a few hours before sunset, we wanted to do something, so we decided to have some food before sunset because we had about an hour or two to kill.
Alright, after eating, we're gonna go watch the sunsets. Oh, wow. Oh my god, so beautiful. Oh my god, look at that sunset. It's not time yet, but it's beautiful.
Almost
What's time? 5:49. It's more beautiful. It's gonna.
6:18.
Yes. Wow. No, can't go outside. Wow.
Look at this little crab here. Come eat the crab. They're stiff birds. They look for the crabs.
The crab gonna bite back.
No, these little crab, they don't.
Yeah, they're biting. Oh my god, so beautiful. Everyone, I recommend if you wanna come here. I don't have any food for you. Okay, let's talk to the bird. Can you come here? I got some food for you. Come up here. They don't throw to them. Then they're not gonna come up here.
Come here, come here.
Come to take this food. No way. Don't leave away. Come back. I bought this one 20 baht for you. Come to take it. Oh my god, everyone, look at that. The sunset is nice. Let's go fighting. Quack, 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 quack.
Want to do it?
No, you can do it. Yeah, do it. Oh my god, so good. It's nice. Take it, take it, take it. Ah! Oh my god, that's perfect. Oh my god, so nice. Oh my god, perfect. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Ah! Don't touch them.
They get closer and then they scared.
Oh my god, so nice. You did a great job. Ew. Can you show it? Ew. But you did a great job. Wow, so nice. How was it?
It's good. Finished.
Finished. Can you recommend?
Yeah, it's nice to come here in the evening.
And the weekend?
Well, any day. I think it's today Friday, right? It's weekend.
No, today's Saturday.
Oh, Saturday today?
Yeah. What are you doing,
That's
honey?
was Friday. Really?
And on the weekend, yeah.
I didn't know.
Oh my god, no way.
Okay, this is a really nice thing to do in the evening. Come down to Bangpoo Recreational Center. You can take the BTS to Keha and then take the Songtao. It's really nice. They have a restaurant and you can enjoy the sunset and feed the birds.
Enjoy the birds, but don't catch the bird to Pat Kapao.
A lot of time. Make it easy. Make it they smile. I don't know where they're going. What kind of bird is it? The bird and the fish. In the future, they're going to be angel.
Okay, so we finished what the sunsets already. It's a very nice to come here on the weekend. It's easy to travel. So that's it for now. I'm gonna say goodbye, honey.
Okay. Yes. Come see here. It's very nice.
Yes, and the sunset is gone there. Okay,
Oh, it's gone.
almost gone.
Almost gone.
It's almost. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, if we go this way, we go to Koh Samui. Straight this way is Koh Samui.
Say thank you.
Okay, thank you. See you next time.
Okay, thank you guys for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoy and come enjoy here. Bye bye.
Bye.